I bet it sticks on the wall. Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your favorite chefs, Mirko and Emma, and we're coming to you. Whatever.
Cooks, cannot call yourself.
The most amazing chefs in the world, and we're coming to you with another episode of A Regular Kitchen. And today we will show you how to make an eternal classic in Italian cuisine, especially at the south of Italy, that's where I come from. And it's gonna be the Parmigiana di Melanzane. What is a Parmigiana di Melanzane? Parmigiana di Melanzane is Parmesan and
what is what?
Aubergine. Parmigiana di Melanzane. Parmigiana di Melanzane. We are gonna do Parmigiana di Melanzane, and we will show you Parmigiana di Melanzane.
Oh my God.
And you know, if you guys want to learn how to make a Parmigiana di Melanzane, just keep on watching this video and you will see how a proper Parmigiana di Melanzane is made. Just remember, while you're here, just click the subscribe button and, you know, let's go! Every time is...
I'm getting used to it.
Every time is something like, it hits me deeply, like, oof. So, what do we need to make a Parmigiana di Melanzane? Melanzane, aubergines. We're gonna need some onions, some garlic. Actually, we don't really need garlic, but you know, she's trying to put her thing inside the Parmigiana melanzane. We're gonna need obviously Parmesan, some mozzarella cheese. If you don't have mozzarella cheese, scamorza would be good. We're gonna use scamorza. If you have scamorza, guys,
just use whatever you need to.
Whatever you wanna use it. So let's start off. We are going to slice the melanzane and we are gonna blanch them.
Is that aubergine?
Yes.
Ah.
I'm never gonna say aubergine, I'm gonna say melanzane. And we're gonna blanch them. Because melanzane have a lot of water inside and they're quite bitter. So you know, this is extremely quite bitter.
How do you usually slice it? Because
so you slice it by the long way, so by its length. Okay? So no small rounds, but you wanna make it long.
Come on, but you can slice it small. Right?
Guys, you wanna do the Neapolitan one or do you wanna do the Neapolitan one? So you slice it by long.
Neapolitan one.
So guys, just to let you know, there are a few ways on how to make aubergines. So you can grill it if you really think like you want to try and make it low calories. You can fry it. That's what we're gonna do, the proper way.
It's not a skinny dish.
Yeah, no. Aubergines are really good for your health, but the way we just like butcher them. Fuck it now. Guys, just make sure you don't just, you know, do this. Very well, the mountain sliced the aubergines. We got a little mountain of aubergines now, and now it's a very crucial part, I'd like to say. So you put them in a strainer like this. A very nice portion of salt. Meanwhile, the mante is gonna mix it while I salt them. Very well. So now what you do is that you grab a bowl, you put cold water in it, and then you put the aubergines to sponge in it, and you leave it for like half an hour. If the aubergines come out, just put a plate on them so they will like be pushed down. So we're gonna put a little bowl on it. Very good, and we're just gonna put it aside, and it needs to stay for like half an hour, maybe even an hour if you like. Meanwhile, we are gonna make the tomato sauce. So we are going lightly fry some onions with olive oil in a big pan, like this one, with tomato sauce in it, passata. How do you say it?
Passata.
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 Parmigiana.
Parmigiano.
Nice. We're gonna put our olive oil. Okay, I really misjudged the amount of oil in the bottle.
What is that, no? The slice.
The oil is warming up now. We are about to drop in our onions.
And onion. Garlic.
Guys, it doesn't need garlic, okay? We're just putting it because I cannot convince her not to.
What do you know, guys? You know how to name stuff. Because in Lithuania it would be just like
But did you guys Lithuania invent it? No, of course not. You are as far
What do you
from
mean
it.
invented?
As far from it. Yeah?
What do you mean invented?
We invented the Parmigiana.
You don't know.
We invented the Parmigiana.
Like,
Okay?
How do you know? You don't know?
It's a fact.
What?
Did you invent the Bolognese? No. Why? Because they invented in Bologna, not in Vilnius. Yeah? How do I know?
This garlic will get it because I cannot hit you on the camera. I'm very frustrated about this Bolognese situation.
Do you want another one? Genovese. Was he invented in Kaunas? No. Where was he invented? At Genova.
But you just like you take any name, you change the beginning,
I never heard
and
of
it's a different dish.
I never heard of a Kaunese.
Exactly.
Exactly. Because you guys don't have anything. You didn't invent anything. You got potatoes.
Because we don't do this stuff.
The only thing you can invent is gâteau. Gâteau. No, it's French. Guys, if you know any famous Lithuanian dish, let us know.
But there's enough of famous Lithuanian dish. The same with the I don't know, we just don't give names to it, you know?
We don't give names to it because nobody eats Lithuanian.
Bolognese.
Go anywhere.
What Bolognese is? It's a meat sauce. Is it not?
Oh my god.
With tomatoes. I'm sorry guys, I love you,
Guys,
but...
don't get upset, okay? I'll give it to her later.
On low heat. The garlic goes on low heat, okay? What is the situation? Give it to me. Fucking hell. Bolognese.
What about pasta alla siciliana? Did you ever put aubergine?
Where was it invented? In Sicily, no?
Yes.
Shocking.
And do you know why? Because Sicily is very famous for their aubergines. And what they do? They grabbed pasta, they put... No, we're having a fight right now. Yeah?
Special.
Si prasci un cazzo, andiamo.
I don't know. I'll put some sweet smoked paprika as well.
No!
And what are you gonna do?
No! You're not butchering...
What?
Oh, Diama!
But why not?
But what do you mean paprika in a parmigiana? Very well, so the onions have cooked.
Passata in, see? Yeah? Can I?
Yes. So guys, salt and pepper to taste.
A little bit of basil maybe, no?
Later,
Balsamic vinegar.
Guys, do not cook the tomato sauce with basil inside. Do not. Basil, you add it at the end. We will add some basil.
And balsamic vinegar.
There is no balsamic vinegar! So guys, we're just gonna leave the tomato sauce to cook. As I said, give more or less about half an hour to the aubergines, and then we're gonna start to fry them. Meanwhile, the tomato sauce is just gonna keep on cooking. The more it cooks, the better it is, guys. There is nothing that's gonna say that's gonna be bad. Very well, guys. So a bit of time has passed. Our aubergines are now properly... They're ready. The water has turned kind of reddish / brown. That's because of all the water that the aubergines go inside. It's just gone, which is gonna make it a lot easier to fry them. So make sure you dry them off first, and then you have to pat them with a bit of kitchen roll. Just grab a plate. A couple of kitchen roll, guys. Them is getting a pan hot with a little bit, not a little bit, with a good amount of olive oil, so they will fry.
Don't put too much of oil because aubergine absorbs all of it and then it will be really fat.
And then just keep on doing this for every aubergine. Prepare another plate on the side so you can, take them off. Drop your aubergines inside. Meanwhile, keep on, drying the other ones. What is this? Unbelievable. And now it's all about waiting game, guys. So you just like...
It's like when you're doing crepes. So I'm pretty sure you don't need to properly cook them now. It's like just to get the color.
just like get a little bit of the fry on because they will cook in the oven.
More of a color, I guess.
Well, guys, we'll see you when we're gonna be ready with all the aubergines, and we'll show you how to properly layer them. So guys, we finished frying our, finished frying our aubergines. As you can see, they should have this nice golden color. So we're just gonna let them cool down a second, and we're gonna start to layer them. You're gonna need a tray. We're gonna need a tray, guys.
Quite deep, I guess. No?
Quite deep. You wanna try and layer it as much as you can. So what you wanna do is very simple. You start with a layer of tomato sauce. You put the aubergines, then you put the parmesan and the cheese, and then more tomato sauce, and then you keep on layering. So we have our tomato sauce. Fantastic! Look at that.
So apparently we need some basil.
Basil. We need some basil, guys.
Basil,
just
but
drop
then
in.
we cut it, no? Maybe.
No, just drop it like
it's hot.
Very good. So we're gonna do a layer of tomato sauce. Very scary. Just a little bit of tomato sauce, guys, not too much. This is to prevent the aubergines at the bottom to burn.
I think it's a very good dish for quarantine because it's like you need to do this and then you need to do that.
It takes about a couple of hours to make it.
So
start to do the parmesan on top.
I'm not a fan of this. Is that okay?
Of course it is.
Is that enough? A little bit, I guess. I love Italian recipes because everything is just from the heart.
Very good. So again, another layer of tomato sauce. And we're gonna put more aubergines. And you're just gonna keep on doing this over and over until you either run out of aubergines or you run out of tomato sauce. Hopefully you run out of both together at the same time, no?
Yeah, that would be the ideal.
The ideal Parmigiana is when you run out of both together at the same time.
But I guess this won't happen in 2020.
Yeah. So guys, we made a mix of Parmesan and Scamorza. We're just experimenting.
Experimenting.
Put a little bit more, diamante, va così, così si fa parmigiana, e va diamante, e troppo un po', quello che vai. E com'è bella sta parmigiana, diamante, mamma mia, ma chi l'ha fatta sta parmigiana? Mamma mia, guarda un po' così, guarda così.
If you're asking yourself how patient am I, I'm very patient.
And that's enough for tomato, diamante, we're finishing the tomato, but we're not finishing the aubergine. Che cazzo!
So guys, what happened here is... What happened here? We finished the tomato sauce, so the Parmigiana is done. No?
Yes.
Yes.
So just like one last layer of grated Parmesan.
And then we will drop it in the oven.
Yes.
Which we should have preheated, but we didn't.
So we're gonna put it in the oven for 180 degrees. Sorry, for 40 minutes, about 180 degrees. So we're gonna put it in the oven and then we will show you what's gonna happen. Meanwhile, we're gonna clean our kitchen. Well, so guys, 40 minutes has passed, but we decided to put another 20 minutes at 200 degrees just to make sure that the Parmigiana di Melanzane was cooked properly. And what better way to, wait 40 minutes than a red wine, obviously. So we're about to take it out now and go diamante, no?
See?
Fantastic.
God.
You want to have those little black spots on top.
So,
which
like a good Parmigiana,
yes,
is
slightly burnt on top.
Like it's good when you cannot clean the dish after, I think.
Yes, it's really hard to scrape it off, but guys, it's absolutely worth it. And with this one, I suggest to have a little bit of bread, just to accompany it with it.
Well, that's the way we will eat it, no?
Yes.
So we will eat it with bread.
A little bit of bread.
Last time we ate it with steak. Was
absolutely,
oh my god,
it was so good.
Amazing.
It's a good side dish to have with a lot of stuff, guys. It never fails. And we will dig in. And guys, just remember to hit the like button, comment, share, subscribe. And we will see you soon.
Ciao. E ciao.